the Hampton Bay Glenridge Falls 6-pack Celine dining chair. Let's figure out how to do one and then we'll optimize it. Basically a back, two sides, and pieces across the front and bottom. First thing we're going to do is get a side, lay it down, put the top on, and put 3 BB screws in here on the side and one on the vertical. Okay, we lay down the side with the holes up, and we're going to put the back and the seat on top of it. Like that. So these 3 holes here line up, and then a 4th hole up here lines up. We got 1, 2, 3 we have in. We didn't tighten them all the way, but we got them snug. Now we're going to flip this whole unit over. Alright, just slide that one in. Line it up. And we'll put the screws in. Alright, we have 2 more pieces. This is the E piece. It's going to go in the sockets. I'm going to put a bolt in here, which is the, looks like the BB bolts. I'm sorry, the AA bolts. Okay, we'll put some AA nuts, bolts in there. We'll get a CC screw and put it in here. Good to go. Now we'll go around and tighten everything up. Alright, try it out. How's it fit? Should have a little rock to it. Feel like a rocking chair?
Yeah.
Comfortable?